Yo, what is up everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to everyone who's watching the video. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can remove your connected site on Metamask. So it's pretty simple to remove the site which is connected in Metamask. But before that, for those people who do not know Metamask, Metamask is like a wallet. Basically, if you guys use Trust Wallet, then it's similar to that where you guys can store your crypto, alright? So if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website to know more about it. But this video is on how you guys can, delete the connected website on your Metamask. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And for those people who want to sign up into MetaMask, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into MetaMask. And let's get right into the video. First step is you want to go to your MetaMask extension. So you want to click on this and click on where it says MetaMask. Once you click on MetaMask, your MetaMask is going to open like this. Once it opens like this, you want to click on this three dot over here. Once you click on this three dot, you want to go on where it says connected sites. Once you go on to connected sites, all the site which is connected to your MetaMask is going to be shown over here. Once you're over here, if you want to remove a site, let's say for me, I want to remove Chrome, I can click on this dustbin button. Once I click on it, I can click on where it says disconnect and it will be removed. Let me show you guys. I can go on my connected site. Now it's empty because I removed one account which was connected with my MetaMask. And in another one website which was connected with MetaMask, I removed it, so it's empty. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can remove your website connected with MetaMask. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. It's that simple. If you guys will understand this video, then do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day. It's me, Richie Kevin. Thanks for watching the video until the end. Peace out.